Here's a quick tutorial on how to find the longest side of a right angled triangle. In this question, we'll have to use Pythagoras Theorem. Now Pythagoras Theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where c is the longest side and a and b are the shorter sides. Now in this case, the a could be the root 30 or the b could be the root 12. It doesn't matter whichever side a or b is. So the first step, what we'd have to do is we'd have to plug in the numbers into the formula. So this would be root 12 squared plus root 30 squared equals c squared. Now because this is a square root sign being squared, this actually leaves us with 12 plus 30 equals c squared, because the square root sign and the square signs cancel out. This leaves us with 42 equaling c squared, and therefore c equaling root 42. So therefore, to answer the question, x equals root 42. I hope this video helped. Please leave a like and subscribe.